Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's discuss today's hiring.
First hiring is from Essential. Essential is hiring for customer service representative, and this hiring has uploaded on Unstop platform. So the stages and timeline of this hiring is all of these are here. On 14 June, the assignment date is being there for this hiring. Let's see who can apply for this. So this hiring is open for the graduate and final year undergraduate student, but this hiring is only for the non-tech stream graduates, not to the technical one. Fresher and a candidate with 1 year experience can apply for this particular hiring. All other details you can check out all of this on this website. The second hiring is from Mahindra Rice. This hiring is for 2025 batch. Three opening positions are there: graduate engineer training and postgraduate engineer training. Third one is graduate agriculture training. As you can see, all the specialization that they have mentioned here and all the location for those particular hiring. The process for applying is first you have to register on their particular website. You will get the assignment test and timelining on your particular email. Second round will be the interview round. It will held virtually for this particular hiring. So to get register for this, you have to fill all those details as per they have asked and requiring is from Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for fresher analytical training. This hiring is for 3 year program degree who have contained a 3 year program degree. They can apply for this. Last date for applying is 31st March, so you can apply before that. And the CTC is not mentioned, but this hiring is particularly for customer technical support and information technology. All the relatable information you will got to be see here, on which location they are hiring for, what their job role they are looking towards, and the most important, the eligibility criteria. So those who hold the 3 year degree as per BCA, BSc Computer Science, Information Technology, and all other the STEAM, all who have graduated. And the most important is about the minimum criteria that you are required for this particular hiring, is all of that is here. So the role expected from you is 24/7 working environment, open for relocate. And yeah, you will also going to be maybe have a night shift allowed paid by project and all of this after joining the company. So do check all of this criteria. The fourth hiring is also from Superset Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for off-campus, hiring for tech and hiring for analytical training. This hiring is also for 3 year program, but this hiring particularly for 2023 or 24 batch graduate. The previous hiring is for 25 batch and the only 25 batch the previous hiring, but this hiring is for 23 and 24 batch. Last date is the same, 31 May, to apply for this, and they're hiring for the same role in this hiring also. They both hiring are same. Anyone who have done their 3 year degree in BCA, BSc Computer Science and have 60% criteria percentage in their graduation, they can apply for this hiring. Our fifth hiring is from Cognizant again, from this hiring is posted on Superset. Now the Cognizant is hiring for engineer graduate for Gen Z C, Gen Z Next. But this hiring is for 2025 batch graduate. The last date is 26 May. So the 1 day is left. And the last time to apply for this hiring is 11:59 p.m. The CTC they are going to be give is 5 lakh to 9 lakh approx in between that. All of the requirement and eligibility that you must match to apply this hiring are all written here, so do check it out. Yeah, to your resume you must have to be upload your latest photograph and all the certification that you have done related to the hiring. Do remember to upload all of that, and please check the whole details of Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro, that what kind of question you will get from which topic in your test. And I will make a separate video on the Cognizant Gen Z C and Gen Z Next hiring, that how is the question and the test will be get and what kind of question you will get in your test. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.